Broadway Teaching Workshop Day 2. Let's go! Day 2 started with Sarah Salzberg, a creator and original cast member of the Tony Award-winning 25th Annual Putnam County Spelling Bee. She was so hilarious. I loved hearing her stories about her journey and how she got to make the 25th Annual Putnam County Spelling Bee.
How was your day today? What are you thinking about? Like, what are you bringing to the scene in your truthful nature? And that's it.
I started the morning with playwriting through improvisation with Sarah Salzberg, who was absolutely so cool, so incredible. She did the 25th Annual Putnam County Spelling Bee, and she told us all about how she developed characters for that, and then she gave us a bunch of exercises and activities with improvisation and making it a lot less scary, because I don't love improvisation. And so we did these activities that made it feel so much more comfortable, even though it's still an uncomfortable thing. So that was really, really cool. On my way to our next session, Path to Broadway.
And today we'll get to know a little bit about them and where they come from and what their path was from school, high school, middle school, through university or not. This gentleman next to me, Paul Castry, who I've known for a long time. Paul, can you just start by telling us where you're from in Illinois?
Yes. Is this on? No.
So, Barton, hi. We all met you last night after the outside. Can you tell us a little bit about your background?
Yeah, born and raised in Denver, Colorado.
You only hold me when I sleep. I was meant to tread the waters, but now I've gotten in too deep. For every piece of me that wants you, no, another piece it backs away. But someday I might call you from my heart, but it might be a second too late. Do something. Yeah. Yeah. There are times in my life when I've had to do something. Hiring, firing, illegal trash dumping. But anytime that I have had something to do, I've always wished that I could bid that something adieu. Nothing makes me happy.
The next session was Path to Broadway, which was I think I never stopped smiling, laughed the whole entire time. The actors were so incredible. Their stories were all so different and so unique and just so fun to hear about, each and every one of them.
And it's so much more than that, right? I learned actually how to be a better human from him. I learned how to lose my Long Island accent from him, though I still use it all the time. But thank you for what you...
I don't know if I can.
Just say the words.
For better or for worse, for rich or for poor, my husband has delivered on the rich part, but for better, I'm not sure. And then to learn my soldier has returned, it's a blessing and a curse. Is it for better or for worse?
Right. So we start the song asking the question, right? So here's Daisy's dilemma, right?
And then the last session was on directing Gatsby, and that was really cool and really helpful for teaching direction and learning how to be a better director. And so these were all really super valuable sessions today that I just enjoyed so much. And I'm now back in my hotel room to get ready to go see Illinois. And after Illinois, we get to see Water for Elephants tonight. So I am so excited. Then we have one more day tomorrow. And this has just been the most incredible, incredible trip. On my way to Illinois. Here's the outfit. After watching that breathtaking show, I needed a slice of pizza from Carve before I went and saw Water for Elephants.